Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Gemini housing scheme is famous for its peaceful and family-oriented settings. This house is 10 minutes away from the parish capital Savannah and approximately 30 minutes away from Negril's famous 7 Mile Beach and exotic restaurants. There are 4 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom, in-law suite, living, dining, kitchen, washroom, front and back patio, garage, and plenty of room for other things. This property sits on 0.25 acre of fruited land. Enjoy your own East Indian and Julie mangoes, breadfruit, avocado, coconut, sugar canes, and the cherries. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29.5 million or US $191,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.